proven ways to start making money online quickly. Want to start making money online fast? Whether you're a student, freelancer, or just looking for an extra income stream, this video will show you real proven ways to start making money online quickly. By the end of this video, you'll have multiple ways to generate income, whether it's through freelancing, passive income, AI-powered tools, or digital products. Stick around until the end because I have a bonus tip that can help you scale your earnings even further. Method 1: Freelancing. Turn your skills into cash. One of the quickest and most profitable ways to make money online is freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour let you offer services such as writing, graphic design, video editing, voiceovers, programming, and even virtual assistants. You don't need to be an expert. Just pick something you're good at, create a compelling profile, and start offering your services. Many freelancers start with small gigs, earning $5 to $50 per project, but with experience and positive reviews, you can scale up to $500 or even $1,000 per project. Some people make a full-time income just from freelancing. And here's a pro tip. If you don't have a high-level skill yet, consider offering simple services like background removal, social media post creation, or basic logo designs. These can be done using free tools like Canva, Remove.bg, or CapCut, and people are willing to pay for them. Method 2: Online surveys and microtasks. Quick cash for simple work. If you're looking for a simple way to earn extra cash, survey websites and microtask platforms are a great option. Websites like Swagbucks, Amazon Mechanical Turk, User Testing, and Inbox Dollars pay you to complete tasks such as taking surveys, testing websites, or even reviewing ads. While these methods won't make you rich, they're an easy way to make $5 to $30 per day just by spending a little time online. User testing is one of the highest paying platforms because you get paid $10 to $60 per test for giving feedback on websites and apps. If you stack multiple platforms together, you could make a few $100s every month doing simple tasks in your free time. Method 3: Selling digital products. Passive income with minimal effort. Selling digital products is one of the best ways to make passive income online. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Redbubble, and Sellfy allow you to sell products like printables, ebooks, planners, templates, and even AI-generated art. The best part? Once you create the product, you can sell it over and over again without having to do any extra work. For example, if you create a simple budget planner or fitness tracker, you can upload it to Etsy. And every time someone purchases it, you make money without any additional effort. Some people make thousands of dollars per month selling digital downloads. And all it takes is creating a few high-quality products and optimizing your listings for SEO. Method 4: Affiliate marketing. Earn by promoting products. Affiliate marketing is another powerful way to make money online. It involves promoting products and earning commissions for every sale made through your unique referral link. Websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Impact allow you to join affiliate programs for free. For example, if you have a social media page, a YouTube channel, or a blog, you can review or recommend products and get paid when someone buys them through your link. Some affiliate marketers make $500 to $10,000 per month just by sharing links to useful products. A great way to get started is by creating simple review videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. People love watching quick, honest reviews, and if they like what they see, they'll click your link to buy the product. That means money in your pocket. Method 5: AI-powered money-making hacks. The fastest growing way to make money online right now is using AI tools to automate your work. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Canva, and Pictory help you create content, artwork, videos, and digital products in minutes. Here are a few ways you can use AI to make money. Content writing. Use ChatGPT to write articles, social media posts, and product descriptions and sell them on Fiverr or Upwork. Graphic design. AI tools like Canva and Midjourney allow you to create digital posters, Instagram templates, and book covers that you can sell online. Video editing and automation. AI tools like Pictory, Flicky, and Descript can turn text into engaging faceless videos that you can upload to YouTube and monetize. Voiceovers and audio production. If you don't want to record your own voice, AI voice generators like 11 Labs or Murph AI can create professional voiceovers for audiobooks, podcasts, or videos. By combining AI tools with freelancing or content creation, you can dramatically increase your earnings while doing less work. Bonus tip: combine multiple income streams for maximum earnings. Now that you know multiple ways to make money online quickly, here's the real secret. Don't rely on just one method. The people who make the most money online combine 2 or more income streams. For example, if you start freelancing on Fiverr, you can also create a YouTube channel teaching people how to freelance and earn money from YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Or, if you're selling digital products on Etsy, you can also promote them on Pinterest or Instagram to get more sales. The key to making serious money online is taking action. Pick one of these methods, start today, and stay consistent. You don't need special skills or experience, just a little effort and persistence. So now I have a question for you. Which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.